Hey guys, welcome to Bella Bliss. A few days ago, Aashna Hegde announced on her broadcast channel that a long-time dream of hers is coming true and she will share details about it soon. Finally, she revealed the surprise yesterday. She shared a reel on Instagram showcasing her new Mercedes-Benz car, fulfilling her long-time dream.
I've been thinking about this for so long. I can't wait. I'm so excited. He saw it from outside only. I can't believe it. It's so cute.
She got herself a Mercedes-Benz GLC. It is a 5-seater SUV, ranges from 75,90 to 76,90 lakhs. It is a popular luxury SUV in the Indian market. Her fans and fellow influencers flooded the comments section with their well wishes and congratulations. Addie wrote, "Nothing make me more happy than seeing you achieve all your dreams. I'm so proud of you and I love you so much." Addie's mom wrote, "Congratulations." Kushi wrote, Happy week kick." Esha commented, "Congratulations honey." "So proud of you honey," Shloka commented. Many influencers on Instagram, including Diksha, Sarah, Janhavi, Nagma, and Ria, have joined in congratulating Aashna on her new car. One of her fans very sweetly wrote, "Seeing you from 4 years and now you buying a car by own self, that's something so much big, super proud of you Angel, always being my inspiration, love you." "Congratulations honey, your dedication and hard work have paid off, and I am really happy for you, wishing you endless joy and countless happy memories with your new set of wheels." That's it for the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss a video. Thank you for watching.